everyone, it's Deb here and welcome back to my channel and another process video. I have got a Project Life spread for you today. This is using the April Kitaholic Kits. So at the moment I'm just cutting down some paper to make some filler cards and a few little journal cards. It's quite simple this week, as I had done quite a few of my photos in Photoshop to be like the collect style what do you call it, Polaroid things with the channeling. I don't use the app anymore. I find it easier just to do it in Photoshop and add my journaling in there than exporting from the iPod and all that. So that's what I've done, and I've cut down the papers, and I am just going to go through and pull out everything that I think I want to use. Now, I knew I wanted to bring in the orange and black. I thought I was going to bring in some green, but that didn't end up happening. So actually what did happen was I started this process on beginning of the week. Today's the 26th, so today's Thursday. I started on Monday, I think it was, and then I put it aside for a few days and then went back to it, and I had all this stuff planned and where I wanted to put things, and when I went back to it I'd forgotten all that I wanted to do, well, most of it anyway. So so this bit's in here. I'm just showing you the process of what I do. I just go through everything and pull out anything I think I might want to use, and then I'll trial it out on cards and on photos, and if I don't want to use it, it gets put back into my drawer or bowl. I did pull in some gold stars from January's kits, as well as some wood veneer. The enamel dots were from this kit, from February's kit, and I think I did pull some in from another kit, so I can't remember. And I also pull in some colour shine, some gold colour shine, because I did want pops of gold because I'm bringing those gold stars in. And we also got the Case of Mist, the orange one, in the mixed media kit for April, so I did sprinkle that on a few of the cards as well. So this is where I came back a few days later, and a few things I remembered what I wanted to put on, and other things I forgot. And then after I'd finished it, I found a few things and I was like, oh, I did want to use that, but that's all good. I can use that on another spread. So I'm just going to go around and stick things down and pop a little bit of journaling here and there. just some freeze frames for you to check some of the cards out. I will have some still photos at the end as well. I did bring in my little tiny stapler. It's American Crafts, the pink one, and I carry gold staples in that stapler. Now, we went and saw a movie, so I did want to include the ticket, and I find that they fade. So I usually scan it or photocopy it. I've got one of those printers with a scanner on it, and I usually just photocopy it straight onto some white paper. And this time I thought I would scan it in and print it out on some vellum, and I really love the way that came out, because you can see the pattern paper underneath and the gold and the orange splatters. Basically going to do the same on this side. I'm just going to pop things down and then go around with the gold stars and the enamel dots. So I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a bit of a simpler project life for me. It didn't take me that long. It took me an hour, really, just over an hour I think it was, to do the whole lot. So there will be stills at the end. I do have small freeze frames of this side, and links will be below to Kitaholics if you want to check them out. And don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up and all that good stuff, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.